welcome back. Today is Thursday, and that means food preparation. We're gonna make a breakfast. It's called Morning Surprise. Do you know what Morning Surprise looks like? All right, let me look. I don't know how to turn my phone around. Otherwise, I would try. All right, here it is. I think you could see it. It's like a parfait. It's like strawberries and... All right, here are the ingredients. All right, the ingredients are strawberries and bananas, granola, vanilla yogurt, and whipped cream. And yes, that's who you think it is. So, we are gonna head to Safeway right now, and we're gonna go and pick up all our ingredients. Damn, that's bright. Am I that bright? Am I that white? Goodness. There it is, that's much better. All right, so I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Okay, our first item is strawberries. Okay. Hi. Okay, our second item that we're going to look for is bananas. Sounds good. So we're in the yogurt aisle, and I was going to pick this up. It's 2% yogurt, but you're welcome to get any kind you want. Okay, the next item on our shopping list is granola. So you pick, this one is honey nut. Okay, so we're here in the dairy section, and I am gonna look inside and get us whipped cream. Okay, we're in the cake area, and I think the last item we need to get are sprinkles, because they have to go on top of the whipped cream, of course. Okay, good morning. I'm up bright and early. It's March 26th, Thursday. Got my ingredients yesterday, and I am all ready to make breakfast, which is going to be what? Morning surprise. No jokes out there. All right, so let's first look at our ingredients. All right, we got them yesterday. Well, let's just double check. All right, I don't know how to turn it. Okay, so we have strawberries, we have whipped cream, we have granola, we got yogurt, we have banana, and of course, we have sprinkles, because nothing but sprinkles can go on top of whipped cream. Am I right? Alright, so first do we have to wash the strawberries or not wash the strawberries? If you guessed wash the strawberries, you are right. Give yourself something special today. All right, so let's wash strawberries. All right, so it's just for one person. Right now I'm making it for myself. So I don't need that many strawberries, okay? But I'm gonna wash my strawberries anyway, because who knows who was touching those strawberries today? All right. I'm gonna take these green things off too, because I don't like to eat them. It's just me. Alright, I'm just gonna wash 2 strawberries, because you saw that fancy glass isn't that big. Okay, so our first thing we need to do is cut the strawberries. You ready? So get your first strawberry, Put it on your cutting board like so. Okay. And you want to cut off the top. Not many people eat that. Alright, and cut it into smaller pieces. But are you going to cut your finger off? No. Try to be safe. Cut. It would be funny if I ended up cutting my finger on camera. But I'm not, because I'm a good teacher. Alright, and reach for another strawberry. Cut off the top like I just did. Toss. And now cut it into smaller pieces. There you go. That's gonna be delicious. Okay. Alright, so I got my strawberry done. That's good. Alright, in addition to our ingredients, we also need certain items, okay? We need a cutting board, 2 spoons, a kitchen knife, but nothing too sharp. I don't want you guys cutting yourselves. We need a strainer or a colander, and we need a glass, because we fancy like that. Alright, you see the glass? There it is. Okay, alright. Okay, here's another question. Do we have to peel the banana before we eat it, or is it fine like this? 1, 2, 3. If you answered peel the banana first, you're awesome. You're amazing tonight. Today. Okay, after we cut our strawberries, we are going to cut our banana. You ready? Alright. Let's see. There it is. Alright, ready? Cut it into small pieces and cut away from you. Don't hold it like this, because you're going to cut your finger. So hold it away from you and cut it into smaller pieces. Not bad, huh? I should have went to culinary school. Alright. Alright, so I got my bananas done and my strawberries done. Okay, the first thing we do is reach for your cup or your glass. I'm using this wine glass because we fancy up in here. Right here. And first thing we do is we put in our granola at the bottom. Just enough to cover the bottom, okay? Alright. Next thing we do is we put a layer of strawberries. So reach for your strawberries. Put in some strawberries. Yep. Just to cover up the granola. And put in a layer of bananas. There we go. Put them in there nice. Alright, now we're going to put in a layer of yogurt. This is such an exciting video. Alright, reach for our yogurt. Got our yogurt out. That's why you needed the spoon. Alright. So put in, I got Greek yogurt because it's supposed to be healthy, and put the yogurt in on top. Da-da-da. Did you wash your hands before you started? I did. Da-da. Yogurt. It's not very creamy. This stuff is pretty thick. Maybe you shouldn't get Greek yogurt. Alright. Delicious. Okay, next thing is another layer of strawberries. Put some strawberries on there. You ready? Strawberries. And Put more bananas on top of the strawberries. Okay. One more banana. And finally, well, not finally, we're gonna add another layer of the granola. Granola. You ready? Okay. Always have a paper towel on handy to dry your hands, okay? Alright, what's next? You know it. It's the whipped cream. Give it a shake. Not too much. I like this one because it's easy to squirt out. There you go. Go slow. Put it on top. Ooh, goodness. And make a mountain out of it. And what goes on last? Of course, sprinkles. Okay, ready? Take off the top. Put on the sprinkles. Okay. Make sure they don't go on your mom's floor. And we're done, guys. That's it. That is a morning surprise. Alright, so do you want to know how it tastes? It's definitely the sprinkles. So, thanks very much. For watching our video on Morning Surprise. So we're going to practice this every Friday, every Thursday, so we can learn how to make it. All right, see you tomorrow.